little things. Look at you. Wait. I'll happily adopt you.
He's already clean, right?
Yes.
Wait, we're here.
Sorry.
How cute. Let me try you. Not stronger than my love for you. Hey. Kids, don't worry, I'm here.
We want to do. What?
Peace for everyone.
Yay!
Enjoy your soup.
I don't like it at all.
It tastes weird.
Yes, totally.
Children, behave. Don't you dare to play with food. Hey, I hate soup.
Enjoy your soup.
This is not correct. Hey, hold up. Is this really safe?
Yeah, don't worry.
Why don't you better chill? Should I? That's it. Time to sleep, smiling little creatures.
These critters are perfect for my experiment.
They are so cute.
Great.